Let's begin with an end in mind. Vision in 2026. This is the time for you to rethink about how you spent your past year and then think of your future outcome that you really want to achieve during 2026 and beyond, another 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, or for a lifetime. When I say this, you might think, oh my God, so many things are happening in America, in Russia, in Ukraine, and third world war is coming. And what is the use of planning, setting goals? Can we achieve these things? These may be some questions coming in your mind. Remember, I do not generally watch news. If you keep watching news, that is the end of your life. Stop watching these news items on a daily basis, which will weaken you. It will suck your energy. Focus on what you want to achieve amidst all these challenges, and then decide to achieve that. What should you do on a daily basis? And engage in doing those activities on a daily basis, having that mission and having that dream, and to achieve that dream, your life will be wonderful. We have some things called patterns. Every year, how we do, how we think, how we interact with others, how we fight with others, how we eat, how we sleep. I always tell you, your patterns equals your results. All the results that you have got by now are the results of the patterns of behavior you had. If you are not happy with the results that you have got, what should you do? You change the way you behave. That means change the patterns you are involved in. And you need to create new patterns. We call it pattern interruption. And then when you interrupt the pattern, that means when you change the way you behave, you get new results, new outcome. These are some of the topics that I teach in Visioning program every year. And we have a formula, 9-step formula, to ask yourself what happened, what went right, what went wrong, what are the failures. We don't call it failures. We say what are the lessons we learned, and how do we build on the lessons. Jean Piaget, a psychologist, he said we create schemata. Our life develops through schemes. Like something happens, another thing happens, and then you create a scheme. That is experience. And when you learn how these patterns create your destiny, you also can create a destiny that you really want to create. Now that is the destiny that is already created, automatically created. Let's challenge it and keep doing everything possible to achieve the vision, the mission, the goals, the dreams that you want to achieve by focusing on the activities that you are doing on a daily basis. Let's see you at Shangri-La, 3rd January 2026 to plan 2026 and beyond.